Welcome to QuestionLink, our database of recoding scripts for harmonizing German survey instruments for selected latent constructs. The context of QuestionLink is ex post harmonization, meaning that we want to make existing survey data more comparable so that they can be combined for joint analyses. QuestionLink focuses on survey measurement instruments for latent constructs, such as attitudes, values, or interests. Often, the same construct is measured with many different instruments in different surveys. This makes it hard to compare results or combine data across surveys. To solve this problem, QuestionLink provides recoding scripts for selected constructs. With those scripts, we can harmonize all measurement instruments for a construct that were ever used in the covered surveys. As a concrete example, we see here two single question instruments for political interest. Left from the German General Social Survey Albus and right from the German questionnaire of the European Value Study EVS. There are several differences. The question wording is different, as well as the response labels and the number of response options, the scale points. Such differences often mean that respondents with the same construct intensity, such as the same level of political interest, are represented with different numerical scores in the datasets depending on the instrument they responded to. This is problematic if you want to compare or combine data measured with the two instruments. What we would like instead is that the same construct intensity is represented by similar numerical scores across different instruments. Harmonization thus means we have to transform scores so that they can be interpreted similarly, regardless of the instrument they were measured with. For this purpose, QuestionLink provides recoding scripts. As an example, we see here how scores of the EVS instrument are recoded towards the format of the Albus instrument. By transforming the EVS scores in this manner, they become numerically comparable to the Albus scores, and data measured with both instruments can be combined for joint analyses. These recoding scripts are generated behind the scenes by the QuestionLink Engine, an R package which we developed to automate most of the harmonization process. The QuestionLink Engine relies on an established harmonization method from psychometry called observed score equating in a random groups design. The innovative part is that we feed close to 40 years of construct response data from all surveys into the QuestionLink Engine, which then automatically identifies suitable data to harmonize the instruments, links all instruments via equating, and finally generates the recoding documents for users. Using QuestionLink is easy. Select a construct from a steadily growing list of constructs, then choose one instrument used in the covered surveys as a reference instrument, and then you receive a recoding document which allows you to harmonize every other instrument for the construct into the format of your chosen reference instrument. Lastly, some ideas of how to make use of QuestionLink. The primary use case is to harmonize data measured with the instruments covered by QuestionLink. This means that all construct data of the covered surveys becomes comparable and combinable. Furthermore, many other studies use the same instruments, which means their data become comparable as well. Apart from recoding scripts, QuestionLink also provides an overview of where and when the constructs were measured in the covered surveys. Also, all the instruments for the constructs are listed. QuestionLink thus makes it easy to find data and instruments across many surveys. Lastly, researchers working on their own harmonization projects might be interested in the idea and technological implementation of the QuestionLink Engine. We would love to consult you and will gladly share the QuestionLink R code with other projects. We hope to have given you some insight into QuestionLink. You can use QuestionLink without making an account. Just try it out.